Hi guys! Nice to see you again. Today I will teach you to make a beautiful fly. You know what is that? Yes, that is butterfly. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. First, fold the paper in a triangle shape and do it also on the other side. And then open it to show 4 equal quarters. Then turn the paper back and fold it in the rectangle shape. And do it also in the other side. And next, and fold it like this. It will become triangle shape like a pyramid. And fold both tips of triangle downward. Turn the paper back and fold the other tip of triangle down. And last, clip the tip of paper on here. Wait, if it is not joined, it's better for you to use glue to join it. Yay! We did it! The beautiful butterfly! Did you make a beautiful butterfly? Wow, nice! I hope you enjoy this time.